Hey, so if you want to protect your Google Slides from being edited in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your slides stay safe and unchanged when sharing with others. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open the presentation you want to protect and you'll see all your slides in the editor view. The easiest way to protect slides is by adjusting sharing permissions. Click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing window, you'll see options to control who can access the file and what they're allowed to do. Set General Access to Viewer instead of Editor. This allows people to view the slides but prevents them from making any changes. If someone only needs to leave feedback, choose Commenter so they can add comments without editing content. You can also restrict downloading, printing, and copying. In the Share window, click the Settings icon and turn off options that allow viewers or commenters to download or copy the file. This adds an extra layer of protection. Another option is to share a PDF version. Go to File, then Download, and choose PDF. Sharing a PDF ensures the layout stays fixed and no one can edit the original slides. If you're working with a team but want to protect design elements, consider using master slides. Place logos, backgrounds, and layouts in the master so collaborators can't easily move or delete them. You can also use version history as a safety net. Go to File, then Version History, and name important versions. If someone edits something by mistake, you can quickly restore a previous version. Before sharing, always double-check permissions. Make sure only trusted users have edit access and everyone else is set to view or comment only. And that's basically it. By controlling sharing settings, disabling downloads, using PDFs, master slides, and version history, you can protect your Google Slides from unwanted edits. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.